folks, I'm Brett again with Churchill's Garden Center, and we're going to start doing a series on hand tools, something a lot of people will pass by and maybe not exactly understand their use. Today I want to talk briefly about the Root Slayer products we carry with hand tools. Root Slayer has a great saw edge. This one has a nice beveled center. These products make gardening so much easier. This is a shovel form, so if you're digging, you're turning your beds over, you're going to go through roots and sod very easily. Great shovel for that. The next one that I use a lot of, this is a spade. So if you're transplanting things and you want to get through shrubs and perennial roots with ease, not taking too much damage from the plants, this is a great tool. It's got these great steps you can step on. If you're transplanting grasses, which have a real tight root system, this saw edge is going to go right through that much easier. And the last one, which is really handy, this is an edger. Again, if you're going through sod, you're going through roots, you're going to be able to make a nice edge easy. If you want to take up turf to make new beds sideways, again, you've got this saw edge that's going to go right through those grass roots. Again, when you see these tools, now at least you know there's a good use to them. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save your body a lot of stress. So come in and take a look at this selection. Thank you.